Hi friends, welcome to all. In this video we are going to see the packet tracer activity, troubleshooting EIGRP for IPv4. Here is the scenario for this packet tracer activity. In this activity we will troubleshoot EIGRP neighbor issues, use show commands to identify errors in the network configurations. Then we will document the errors, we will discover and implement an appropriate solution. Finally, we will verify full end-to-end connectivity is restored. Here we can see a troubleshooting process. First one, I use the testing commands to discover connectivity problems in the network and to document the problem in the documentation table. Yes, here is our documentation table. Then use verification commands to discover the source of the problem and devise an appropriate solution to implement. Document the proposed solution in the documentation table. Then implement each solution one at a time and verify if the problem is resolved. Indicate the resolution status in the documentation table. Right? If the problem is not resolved, it may be necessary to first remove the implemented solution before running to step 2. Once all identified problems are resolved, test for full end-to-end connectivity. Right. So these are the process of troubleshooting this packet tracer activity. Coming to our topology, first we will ping from PC1 to PC2. We will get the IP address of PC2. Right. We will copy this address. Coming to PC1, command prompt, here we are going to ping. Here we can see we are not getting the reply, destination host unreachable. We will try the tracer command also to this PC2. Here we can see we got the default gateway 172.31.10.1. so this IP address is the address of this interface, gigabit Ethernet 0/0 on R1. Yes, after that we can see that message is not going to the other device. Now we will verify the router using show commands. Coming to R1, CLI. Right, first of all we will go with show running config. Here we can see the details, interface address. Here we can see the protocol, router EIGRP 11 and passive interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Here we can see that this interface they set as passive interface. Here the autonomous system number is 11 and they given all the networks. Here we can see all three networks, 172.31.10.0. yes, it's present. Next is 172.31.40.224. yes, here we can see that, and wildcard bits also correct. And the next one is 172.31.40.232. yes, it's correct. So here we have to verify this autonomous number on all the routers. So we will come to R2, CLI. Here we will give show IP protocols and we can check the protocol. Yes, here we can see the routing protocol is EIGRP with the autonomous number is 1. Yes, so we have seen in this R1 the number they given 11. Right, coming to R3 we will check that. Enable show IP protocols. Yes, here also it's 1. So here we must change this autonomous number to 1. Again we will come back to the router R1 and now we will verify the routing table of this R1. Enable show IP route, and here we can see only the connected route and we cannot see any EIGRP route listed in this routing table. Now we will document our problem in our documentation table. So here we can see we identified the problem on the device R1. So we will mark that here, R1, right, we'll keep middle. And the identified problem, so it not established any adjacencies, so we'll mark that. Right. So here the proposed solution, yes, here we must remove that EIGRP 11 and we must configure EIGRP 1. So once we remove the EIGRP, we have to advertise the directly connected networks. Also we have to set the passive interface, that is gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Also we must disable automatic summarization. After configuring this EIGRP 1, well, now we will mention here our proposed solution. So first we must remove EIGRP 11. Then we must configure EIGRP 1. Yes. So configure EIGRP 1. Yes. Then after configuring this EIGRP, we have to set directly connected networks. Yes, that means advertise the directly connected networks, right? Not only that, and we have to set the passive interface. We can mention set passive interface. Also we have to disable automatic summarization, so that is a disable automatic summarization. Yes. Now we will ping from PC2 to this outside host with IP address 64.100.1.10. So coming to PC2, command prompt, here we are going to give ping the address. Yes, here we are getting the replay, there is no issue. Now we will ping from PC2 to this PC3. So we will get the IP address of PC3. So we have to get the IP address. Here is the address, we will copy this address. Coming to PC2 and we will ping to PC3. Ping to PC3, the IP address. Well, we are waiting for the replay. Request timed out. Again, request timed out. No, we are not getting the replay from PC3. Now we will give the traceroute command from PC2 to this PC3. Traceroute the IP address of PC3. Here we can see only two addresses. From the traceroute command, here we can see it comes to the router R2, then it goes to the internet. It's not coming to PC3. That means there is no route from PC2 to this PC3. Now we will verify R2 using show commands. Enable show, we will check the running config. Here we can see the interface address, right? Here we can see router EIGRP 1 and passive interface, right? Yes, here we can see only two networks specified, that is 172.31.40.224, that is this networks. Then we can see 172.31.20.0. yes, it's this network. And here we can see did not specify this network 172.31.40.228, so that this R2 is not forming an adjacency with this R3. Coming to our documentation table, the identified problem on R2, right? Here is R2, and the identified problem is not forming an adjacency with the R3, right? Not forming an adjacency with R3. Yes, and proposed solution, obviously we must advertise the 172.31.40.228/30 networks. Here we can see that these networks, right? We will document that here. One 172.31.40 40.228/30 network. Now we will come to R3 and we will verify. Enable show running config. Here we will check that all the addresses, right? Here we can see networks 172.31.40.228. yes, 172.31.40.232. yes, these networks. And 172.31.30.0. yes, these networks. Auto summary, oh, here we have to set no auto summary, right? So that can be verified again using show IP protocols. And here we can see automatic summarization enabled, so we must disable automatic summarization using the no auto summary EIGRP command. We will document the problem and solution, right? The device is on R3, and the identified problem is performing automatic summarization. Proposed solution is we must disable this, so disable automatic summarization using the command no auto summary, that is an EIGRP sub command, right? Now we will implement each solution one by one. We can see the first problem, not established any adjacencies, so we must remove EIGRP 11 and we have to configure EIGRP 1. After that we have to advertise the directly connected networks. We must set passive interface gigabit ethernet 0/0, and we must disable automatic summarization. So we will do this first on R1. Coming to R1, enable, just we will check the show IP route so that we will get the connected networks. Now we will go to configure terminal and we will remove EIGRP 11, so we have to give the command no router EIGRP 11, and we are going to configure EIGRP 1, router EIGRP, the autonomous system number we have to give 1. Right now we are going to advertise the directly connected networks one by one. So we are going to give network. Here we can see we are going to give this 172.31.10.0. here we have that. I'm going to copy from here, right? So we have to give the wildcard bits. that 0.0.0.255. We will give the next network, that's 172.31.40.224. Yes, here we have, we are going to copy that, right? And here we can see it's a prefix length is /30. We have to give the wildcard bit 0.0.0.3. Okay, and the next network 172.31.40.232. So we will copy that from here, right? And the wildcard bits 0.0.0.3. Yes. So now we are going to set the passive interface. Passive interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Also, we are going to disable automatic summarization. No automatic auto summary. Now we will verify the solution here. What we have done. So we'll go to IP protocols and we will verify all these. Here we can see now the protocol is EIGRP1. Here we can see auto summarization is disabled. Here we can see the routing for networks. Passive interface, we can see gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Yes. So coming to our spreadsheet, resolved. Yes. Right. Now we will come to our next identified problem, is not forming an adjacency with R3 on the device R2. So we must advertise the 172.31.40.228/30 networks on R2. Right, we will do this now. Coming to R2, CLI, enable, configure terminal. We will go to router EIGRP1 and we will give the network 172.31.40.228 and the wildcard bit 0.0.0.3. We will verify the solution we have done. Show IP protocols and we can check that. Yes, here it is. Coming to the documentation table, our problem is resolved. Yes. Our next identified problem is performing automatic summarization on R3. So we must disable this automatic summarization using the command no auto summary as the sub command of EIGRP. Coming to R3, enable, configure terminal. We have to go to router EIGRP1 and here we are going to give no auto summary. Now we will test for full end-to-end connectivity. So coming to PC1, we will ping from PC1 to PC2. So here itself we have our IP address of PC2. Yes. Yes, we are getting the replay. Also we will ping to PC3. We will get the IP address of PC3. Coming to PC1, ping to PC3. Yes, we are getting the replay. Now we will ping from PC2 to PC3. Right. Yes, we are getting the replay. Also we will ping from PC2 to PC1. We will get the IP address of PC1. And we will ping to PC1 from PC2. Yes, we are getting the replay. Well, here we can see our completion status 100 out of 100. So that's all in this packet tracer activity, that is troubleshooting EIGRP for IPv4. Friends, if you have any doubt, please comment below. Also, if you like my video, give a thumb and don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you will get latest uploading video info into your Gmail. Thank you.